Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube, and welcome back to William in Japan. Now, this is the mini-series around Nikko City, and we are at Lake Chuzenji. So, today, we're going to go around the lake for a little bit, up the mountain, and grab a better view. So let's get on the road. Right, welcome back folks as we continue on the road towards Lake Chuzenji Observatory, the observatory deck right on top of this lake. So Lake Chuzenji gets its name from Chuzenji right in front of us. This is a very old Buddhist temple that has been built in the area. And since the lake is one of the first things you will meet when, back then of course, people came here for the temple, the name stuck. And during the Meiji era, a lot of foreign ambassadors actually built their villas around this lake. Hence, the deep culture of summer water activities around here. And I believe the Italian ambassador and the British ambassador summer houses, summer vacation houses, are still down by the lakeside right over here. But we are going to take a little climb, a little detour away from the lake to see if we can, well, see the whole lake and the mountains around the area. Usually this road closes off in the winter, and since we are already officially in November right now, I think we have less than a month left to actually go riding around here. Of course, the Iroha Hill that I shown you guys in the last video will still be available. But climbing further into the mountains this way will be a no-go very soon. Although it's a Thursday today, I took the day off in hopes of lesser traffic because during the weekends, traffic around here is a nightmare. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow. Alright, I digress. The traffic around here is a nightmare. As you can see in the last video again, at the Meiji Daira, parking lots will be filled and people will be pushed back on the road. So we're basically not going to get anywhere soon. So I came here on a weekday, took a day off, and still, as you can see, a lot of traffic left. But it's still manageable. We're doing it at a decent pace. It's not that bad. If we come back maybe next week, I think it will be the end of the autumn leaves season. The autumn colors will basically all turn to brown, and we will officially be heading into winter. So at least still can get a little glimpse of what's left. And I think a lot of other people had the same idea as I have. A bit more potholes on this road, obviously, since it will be closed off in winter. Not that much care will be left for this road. But it's definitely not hazardous. I think we can still enjoy our ride here. Of course, a little less traffic will always be nice, but whoop-de-doo. By the way, the Super Corsas are performing pretty, even better, if I put it that way, even better than I expected. I was thinking about maybe 5,000 kilometers The tread will be gone. It will be completely squared off. The tire profile will be very strange and basically unusable. And when the temperature drops, it starts slipping. But none of that has been happening right now. Let me check. We're at the odometer 6,073 kilometers. So we've done a proper 6,000 kilometers on these tires, and they haven't really been squared off. The profile is still pretty nice, and when I check the treads, we have more than half left. So maybe we really can eke out 10,000 kilometers on this tire. Not sure if I want to do that or switch out for something a bit more confidence inspiring for the winter seasons, but at least for what we are doing now, no problem. It's taking it very well. Still about 2 kilometers out. We'll be there very soon. Hopefully we can get a nice spot for the thumbnail and for the view for you guys as well. Okay, this is actually my first time up here. Every time when I came around Nikko, again, due to traffic, I'm always a little late for the onlys. So thanks to that, a lot of times the gates will be closed for this road already. So this is actually my first time up this hill. Wow. Just wow. Japan never ceases to impress me. I've been in this country for how many years now? 14th. I'm in my 14th year in Japan. And when I come back to the same places, it's not like I've never been here. I've been here multiple times, but every time you find something new, something cool, and something fresh. Like, this country really never stops. Oh, monkey! Not sure if the GoPro caught that. Oh, another one! God, they're out in force. Be careful of those monkeys, though. They are aggressive, especially when they have kids around there, and they do hurt you. So stay away, move out of their way, and if they do attack you, they always come in swarms. It's not one, it's not two, they're in swarms. So really have to watch out. Okay, where was I? Yes. Okay. Japan. This country always offers something different according to the time of the year. So even if you come to the same place, maybe a few months later, you'll always find something interesting. So yeah. Thanks to all the natural resources. In terms of vacation, of course, not real natural resources, but in terms of tourism and vacations, there really isn't a better place for Japan. I like Japan. Okay, coming up on the parking lot. Let's try and grab a nice place. Hopefully I can speak to myself and not startle too much people. Oh, heck yeah. First class position, man. Oh, I'm fourth gear? Seriously? Stupid me. Okay. Will you look at that? Wow. So, right above Lake Chuzenji right now. As I mentioned, autumn leaves are coming to an end, but yeah, this is still a heck of a sight. GoPro, I'm repeating myself a lot of times already, but GoPro never does these kind of scenery justice. So come along and enjoy the view with your own eyes. Alright, this has been William. I have one more road to show you guys in this mini series, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.